In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent header in Squarespace. A transparent header is a simple way to give your site a polished, modern look. It lets your hero image or video peek through behind your navigation, so the first impression feels immersive and clean. We'll keep things straightforward and stick to exactly what you need, while I share tips to help you get the best visual result. First, open your site and enter the editor. Click Website, then click Edit at the top. This puts you into editing mode so any changes you make are visible right away on the page preview. Take a second to land on a page with a strong hero section or banner image, since that's where transparency really shines, and you'll be able to see the effect clearly as you work. Next, move your cursor up to the header area. When you hover over it, you'll see an option appear that says Edit Site Header. Click that. This opens the header controls, which are separate from your page content and designed specifically for navigation, logo, and layout adjustments. You're in exactly the right place to control how the header looks and behaves. On the panel that opens on the right, click Edit Design. This is where the styling lives. You'll see options related to colors and other visual settings. Head into the Color tab, set the type to solid, and then adjust the opacity. Dragging the opacity all the way down to 0% makes the header fully transparent, so the background content shows through completely. If you prefer a subtler look, stop partway. Something like 10-30 cinch lets a little color remain, which can help with legibility while still feeling airy and light. As you tune the opacity, keep readability in mind. If your hero image is very bright or very detailed, a fully transparent header might make links or your logo harder to see. In that case, a slight tint can act like a soft glass pane between the image and your text. Dark images often support full transparency beautifully, while lighter images may benefit from that gentle cushion of color. That's all there is to it. You've adjusted the header from a solid block to a transparent layer that lets your page content take the spotlight. Take a moment to scroll, preview, and fine-tune the opacity until your navigation feels clear and consistent with your brand. With this quick change, your Squarespace site immediately looks more intentional and visually engaging.